Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lecture by Mr. Dhomne. I am Amit. In this video, we will going to learn how you can develop a Python game, how you can develop the game with the help of your Python programming language. So it is a number guessing game. In this code, I will first show you the output, how the guessing of a number is done, and then we will see the code. So in order to do that, we just open the command prompt. Once you open this command prompt, you need to go to the path where this file exists. You can see my file is exist in this Python project, project number guessing game. Here I will going to copy this and I will going to paste it. It is already there, but still I will going to show you. Once you paste this, you will reach to this path. Then in order to run this, you just need to type Python and the name of the file. The name of file is main. So just type there with a space and type py. Py is an extension of Python file and press enter. Now see, it is asking you to guess any number. Let me guess any number by 5. I will press enter. So it is saying that your guess was too high. Guess a number lower than 5. So the number less than 5, let's take 3. So it is still saying that your guess was too high. Guess a number less than 3. So let's take 1. So see, it's showing that the system has guessed the number 1 and I have achieved that number in the 2 attempt. So in this way, actually this here the system is working. System they will guess any number and you need to type or you need to guess from your side. If it matches, then you will be successful. Sometime your guess will match in the first attempt itself, sometime in the next attempt itself. So in this way you will get the output. Now let's come to the code. In this code what I have written import random. Why I'm using random? So that it will going to pick any number uh, randomly between 1 to 9. So here you see it will first print number guessing game. Okay, after that number is equal to random dot rand int 1 to 9. It means it will going to pick any random number from 1 to 9. The system will going to pick or randomly it will going to select from 1 to 9. Then we have initialized chance is equal to 0. This is a variable which is initialized with 0 that will going to count the number of attempts I have achieved the target or I have guessed it clearly. So it will going to print it guess a number between 1 to 9, means it is asking the user to guess the number between 1 to 9. Now inside this while loop I have written while is equal to true. Why I have written this true? So that this while loop will always be true. True means always true, right? So this true means here there is no chance of any wrong condition, and when I have written true means this condition will always be true and you will come inside. Once you come inside, you will guess any number, means in this guess you will enter any number from 1 to 9. Here guess is equal to int input, means this input command will accept the input from a user that should be of integer type, that is from 1 to 9. Once you enter a value, they will check is the guess number that you have accepted is equal to the number that system accepted. Number is the number that is guessed by your system and guess is a number that is accepted by the user. If it matches, then it will going to print congratulations, you have um, guess the number will be the whatever the number that system guess, and the chances in the number of chance that you achieve it. In case not, then if the guess is less than number, it will going to print your guess is too low, guess a number higher than guess. If it is greater, then it will print your guess is too high, guess a number lower than that, and it will increase the chance plus 1. So what is a initialize the chance variable? 0. So it will increment by 1 as you miss the guess. So suppose here, if you see my output, then I have guessed 5, right? I missed it. So I in the first chance I miss it. In the second chance I have uh, guessed it correctly by typing this 1. So the number of attempt I guessed it correctly was the 2, right? In the first guess I made it 3, and in the next guess I made it 1, means The number I have entered was 5. Okay, but that 5 was not matching with the system guess, means this system number. Then he said me that your guess is too high, just select any number. So I pressed 3. That was my first attempt. Then the next attempt I have made this one, and I successfully guessed the number. So in this way the explanation of this game program, and in this way you can create this game in Python in a very easy way. This guessing number is like a uh, you can create it in a Python with the help of few libraries and function, that is called random function and randint, that is used to generate a random value. And then with the help of this while loop you can easily write the code. If you like my code explanation, then please comment it, share it, like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Lecture by Mr. Dunne. Till then, bye everyone. Goodbye.